Hi, this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, I will be showing you and unboxing the Christmas gifts that I got that's pertaining to my business. And if you want to see some of these items, just keep watching. Okay guys, now I got more gifts than this for Christmas, but I just want to show you the ones that I got for my business purposes. A lot of my gifts, I have already used them, but these gifts right here was the gift that my family got me to invest in my YouTube business. So let's start off with this planner here. This is called the YouTube planner. My daughter, she seen fit to get this for me, and this is by Elaine Michelle. Now this particular book has some good items in here. Let me keep going by these here. I already did part of my planning, but just want to show you some of the planning areas that it has in this book. Like here's the video planning, and as you can read all of that, this is on one page, and so it keeps you sort of like in lines, and so like you can put your dates in there and go ahead on and put your the videos that you're going to be putting out in the near future. So I thought this little book came in handy because I was just writing all my stuff on just a plain notebook, and it also have the brain dump weekly planners. So anyway, I just want to share this with you in case if you need something like this to keep you in line, like my daughter figured that I did, and I did. Okay, now coming on to this microphone. It is called the Blue Yeti Nano. Now this microphone, I like it. My son, he came over and he connected it up. It's the software that you have to download, and it will give you the link in the instructions. And so this is like a standalone, and it comes with a little desk stand, as you can see there, and it has a little part where you can also, let me turn this around for you, trying to get it where you can see. This part here is what I'm aiming at to show you. This part right there, where you can connect that on a camera or anything of that nature. So, and you'll be able to use that. So it has the, I think this button here is where, oh gosh, I got to read this stuff, guys, because my son set it up, and I used it once. Okay, so I'm not sure about all of these little buttons, but I know you can change like the mode, and I believe that's the little mode button that you can change. And it has like the volume button right there, and okay, it has like the pattern. You can speak directly in front of this mic and it'll shut off the noise. And if you draw back from the mic and you don't speak directly in it, it'll pick up the surrounding sounds in your environment. Okay, so I'm just going to show you some of these items or benefits it has. And this here is what I was talking about, the cardio dial, that when you speak directly into the mic, as you can see the little picture right there, he's speaking directly into the mic. You can use it for podcasts, game streaming, Skype, Discord, vocal, and voiceover. The omnidirectional. This is where when you pull your mouth back from the mic, See the little arrows? It picks up your surrounding sounds in the room. You can also do conference call. You can do field recording and things of that nature. This is a pretty good mic, I think. So if you're thinking about buying a mic, so far I like it. I will be doing a live streaming soon just to do a test on it. Okay, so that's it for the Blue Yeti Nano. Okay, and here, this is another one of my Christmas gift that my son and my husband got me. This is a camera because I did not have one on this particular monitor. So they wanted me to have a webcam, so they went out and they purchased this one here for me. Okay, I'll let you read all of the benefits that's on this one about noise reduction. So you can just read all of that. Now here is the little camera and it's small, but I like it because it don't take that much to connect it up. Just download the software and boom, it comes up just like that. So this is a pretty decent little camera here. Okay, this little camera here, you can just set it up on your desktop, or you can also put it on a stick. That little piece right there, it will fit on like a tripod or something like that. But I thought this was a pretty neat little camera. So okay guys, so I hope this unboxing was very helpful to you, and I'm going to sign off, and this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future. Your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.